All right, excited and overwhelmed to welcome our guest, the CEO of Commercial Department at SaveMax, Shefali Kaushik. It's a pleasure, Shefali. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for being on that chair, for giving your time. I know you are super busy. So I'll just start up with the questions.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity and let's start this.
शिवाली, हाउ डू यू बिल्ड ट्रस्ट इन अदर्स? कि आपको लगता है कि बिजनेस सिर्फ नंबर्स पे चलता है या फिर रिलेशनशिप्स पे चलता है? व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट?
बिजनेस सिर्फ नंबर्स पे तो नहीं चलता है, बिजनेस रिलेशनशिप्स पे चलता है डेफिनेटली. एंड एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बिजनेस में कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं दूसरी पार्टी से. So, for example, if we are commercial realtors, there are certain expectations and a kind of professionalism that is expected from us, and integrity is added to it. So, अगर हम वो expectations उस integrity और professionalism से काम करते हैं, तो relationship आगे build होता है और business भी आगे build होता है.
Wow. Shivali, I would like to go. I know we will talk about big numbers, but I would like to know, how was your childhood like? If you could remember. I know it's a pulling you back towards many childhood. How was it like?
It's not many, but yes. Childhood was good. I had a very good childhood. My parents were very cooperating. And yes, it was different because my upbringing is in India, all of it. So it was different from what life we are living today in Canada. Also, the generation has changed, so the times were different. So it was a close-knit community in Haryana that I was born in. So yes, it was different, but it was a good childhood. I have no complaints, no regrets.
तो आपको हरियाणवी आती है?
नहीं, हरियाणवी नहीं आती
नहीं
है.
आती?
नहीं.
Oh, अच्छी बात है, वरना मुझे
But समझ में आती है. I can understand complete.
हरियाणवी?
Yes, accent and yes, I do.
Okay, very nice. So दूध दही का खाना
Yes.
जीते रहे हरियाणा?
Yes,
Very
it
nice.
is.
Shefali, I see you working a lot like a machine, but is there a creative side that keeps you out and that rejuvenates you? Do you do anything creative in your life?
I like working, yes, and I enjoy working. I would not call myself a workaholic. When I'm into something, I am into it 100%. That's what I have learned from my parents. And when I'm enjoying completely. When I'm home with my kids, I am with them 100%. I don't take any calls. But yes, when I'm working completely. There's a creative side. I enjoy spending time playing badminton and some indoor games with my kids. Painting in house, there are certain things that I paint, I pick up and then I just start painting them. So that is one thing that I like. But otherwise, yes, I like working basically. It's not like working for a long time. I don't realize the time. I don't see the time when I'm working. But that's how it is.
So you said your bringing was such that definitely the values come from the parents. So how did they inspire you? How did those values got into you? Like what you saw in them? What did they do that inspired you to emulate them?
My mom was a teacher, and then she was a housewife later. But I have seen her dedicating all her life to her kids, basically, whenever it is needed. Just being 100% present with them, just being 100% involved in our lives. So that is something that inspired me to be 100% present wherever you are.
I recently saw a reel जहाँ पर there was this husband and wife, and husband के bubble में था I want to earn money, and wife के bubble में था I want to earn money, I want to see my family, I want to see this, I want to see other relatives, I want to manage this, I want to manage my household. There were so many bubbles, so many tasks to do, and husband के just I need to earn money. So do you agree on that?
I
That
completely agree on that. Yes, that's how it is. That's how we are wired, I think.
you think it's unfair?
No, it's not unfair. That's a choice again.
That's amazing to know. How are you so zen, focused? Like what's in that? Any work you are zen in, or is this particular work that you're doing that interests you?
Some things in life you have to do sometimes, you know, just to go with life, go further with life. But there are some things that you actually enjoy. So if I talk about my work right now, I do enjoy my work. Only, you know, if you are involved 100% and if you love something to do, then there are more chances कि आप उसको 100% दे पाते हो. However, we need to do some things, you know, some task that you don't want to do, but 100% आप उसी को दे पाते हो जब आपका you love, you know, that job.
So I think it takes time to land to a job that you love. But before that, you were asked to do so many jobs. Like I came here, I had to cook in a restaurant. I had to work in a warehouse and so much and so that. But मैं उन jobs को मैं इतना प्यार नहीं करता था शायद. मुझे लगता है, you know, I was just doing it to survive. But have you loved all your jobs throughout your life?
I would say, fortunately, yes, I was. I don't say when we were new immigrants in Canada, I have done some good jobs, like I have been into different roles, but मैं ऐसा नहीं कहूँगी कि मैंने struggle किया, because I never saw my job as a struggle. I started loving everything that I did. So maybe I'm blessed with that thing, but I think I loved my job, whatever I have done.
So when we came to Canada, you know, अपने सारे roots छोड़ के, what was in your mind? What was your mindset like? What goals did you had?
When any immigrant come here in Canada, how we see Canada in the pictures and videos and friends' life and this and that, it is a different country. It's not the real picture of what exactly it is. When we land here, we first anyone who is coming here, they get shocked. जितना भी उन्होंने देखा है, मे बी समझा है, फ्रेंड से बात की है, वीडियो कॉल किया है, या वो वहाँ पर देख रहे हैं लाइफ. टेक्नोलॉजी भी एडवांस हो गई है, वीडियो चैट्स भी हो रहे हैं, बट स्टिल व्हेन यू एक्चुअली स्टेप इन कैनेडा और इन एनी अदर कंट्री आउट ऑफ इंडिया, because of culture, because of environment, because of so many things, you get shocked, you know. उसके बाद में जो आपने देखा होता है पहले या एज्यूम किया होता है कि आप ऐसा करोगे, वैसा होगा आपके साथ, वैसा आई थिंक कुछ होता नहीं है. वो बहुत ही फैंसी वर्ल्ड होता है जो हम दूर से देखते हैं. जब आप आते हो, देन यू लुक अराउंड एंड यू गेट योर ओन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ड्रीम्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर पैशन, according to what you like and how you manifest it. So that is different for everyone. Some people find good opportunities and work for it, find their dream life. Some people keep complaining about Canada, about India, about everything that happens, and then they face the consequences of what they are manifesting. I believe that.
Shivali, very interesting question. So there's an outer world that we are fighting. Jobs, this, that, relationships. And there's this inner world that we are fighting. What do we actually want? Mostly at times there are blank spaces. Like I had a blank space or blank sheet when I came here. What do you have to say about those two different fights? Like fight outside is different and fighting from the inside different. Like what does one want?
I believe there is no outside fight, actually. If you win or if you अंडरस्टैंड वॉट एग्जैक्टली योर इनर फाइट इज़, आप क्लियर हैं अपने विजन को लेके, आपको खुद को पता है कि आपके गोल्स क्या हैं लाइफ में, आपकी प्रायोरिटीज़ क्या हैं, आपको क्या अचीव करना है, क्या अचीव करके खुशी मिलेगी, देन आउटसाइड फाइट जो जिसको हम कहते हैं एनवायरनमेंट, कल्चर, पीपल, यू नो, कंपनी, एवरीथिंग, वो अपने आप रिजॉल्व हो जाती है, वो अपने आप अलाइन हो जाता है सब कुछ आउटसाइड, वंस यू आर क्लियर अबाउट वॉट योर इनर फाइट इज़ अबाउट. फाइट हम तब करते हैं जब हमें क्लैरिटी नहीं होती है. वंस वी गेट दी क्लैरिटी, सब चीज़ें अपने आप अलाइन होने लग जाती हैं, हमें पता होता है हमें क्या करना है, हमें कहाँ पहुँचना है. सो फिर एनवायरनमेंट आपका साथ देने लग जाता है.
Shivali, if someone plans to come to Canada now, you know, seeing what you have seen, what they should keep in mind or what sort of expectations they should have when they're leaving their home country?
When we all are leaving our home country, of course, we are leaving for some opportunities that are available outside and not in India, definitely. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता तो हम लोग लीव नहीं करते. एंड अभी तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इंडिया में भी काफ़ी अवेलेबल हैं. However, sometimes we opt in life to come outside the country and look, have our life settled there. वो होता है because of opportunities, because of platform जो available है यहाँ पर, और जो हार्ड वर्क करके आप कर सकते हो इन कंट्रीज़ में, बिकॉज ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग. तो जब हम छोड़ रहे हैं अपनी कंट्री, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ बिग स्टेप इन लाइफ. डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट एन ईजी लाइफ कि सब कुछ आपको प्लेट में बना बनाया मिल जाएगा. आपको यहाँ पर अर्न करना पड़ेगा, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को ग्रैब करना पड़ेगा, उसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, और वो हर किसी को करनी पड़ेगी इक्वल. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि एक बंदा आया उसको कुछ बना बनाया मिल गया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. सो दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ दीज कंट्रीज. Everyone has to work hard.
So when you say मेहनत, work hard, in terms of what one should look for, और क्या work hard करें, like what aspect?
They have to be positive. They need to know what their ambition is.
Do you think being positive is
One thing.
is working hard? It is actually hard, right?
Being positive in this world is hard. I have seen for many people.
When you say this world,
In this world,
Treta
yes.
Yug, Kalyug, किस different
In
yug?
this generation when technology has taken over so many things, आप इतने busy हो, आपके पास time ही नहीं है कुछ सोचने का.
So does that make one negative?
Yes,
If you do not
because
have,
we are wired negative. It's easy.
we're wired negative. Do you really
We
believe
are
that?
wired. Yes. So
When you
if you want to go to a mountain, for example, is it hard to go up, or is it hard to go down?
It's hard to go up.
So going down is hard.
Not really.
It's easy, right?
Yeah.
You will, okay, you need to have water upstairs on the 7th floor. Is it easy or is it hard?
It's hard.
What about water can come down 7th story or 8th story or 10th story? Easy.
Easy.
That's how the gravity works, or that's how, it is supported by gravity. So we are wired negative. So if you don't do anything, what do you need to get fat? Do you need to do anything?
No.
Do you need to do anything to get lazy?
No.
No. Do you need to do anything to save the bread from fungi? No.
No.
You don't need to do anything actually to spoil, to, for negative things. But you need to do some things, conscious things, for being positive and to get the things right.
Wow.
So that's how it is.
So one always has to be on their toes.
Yes. You have to consciously go into the right direction. You have to keep thinking what's your next step, what you like, what are your dreams, what is your goal of life, what is your vision. Then only you can, I think, you can touch the success easy. Otherwise, you will face struggles, or you would think that you are facing struggles, although you are just working. Positivity keeps you going. Life becomes easy.
Do you understand the concept of inner child?
Inner child?
Inner child.
Yeah. Yes.
Are you aware of your inner child, that he's or she's there? Sorry.
It is. Yeah. Everyone has some inner child energy, but that comes with the right people in the right environment only. It doesn't show up every day.
Okay, what's the one risk that you took that was worth it? The one risk that you took, it was like, thank God I did it. What was that?
Coming in real estate,
Oh, really?
in commercial especially, yes. That was challenging. Everyone would say, what is it? It's a different kind of, I would say, environment, different kind of real estate. But I think it's worth it.
Anything that you would like to ask me? Anything? Meanwhile,
You're a chef that I just got to know.
I
so-
was
Okay. Then I'll keep coming with some questions to you.
done.
Yeah. I've just started, exploring, making some dishes, new dishes. So I'll come to you.
Done.
Yeah.
It was because of my chef's money that I could study in media and everything.
Okay.
That helped me in my creative side.
Okay.
And now my creative side is helping me in commercial side. So it's just a circle of life.
See, you know your goals.
Yeah, sort of, yes.
Yes. And they are aligning for you.
What's the biggest mindset barrier that Indians or any person usually have when going into the business, from a job to the business?
I think Indians are the ones who have the most of the risk-taking capacity.
And why is that?
Because of the culture that we are, brought up in.
Do you think masalas have to do any role in that? Because we are on the edge. We are like, kar jayenge, mar jayenge. Why is that?
Oh, really? Masalas? No,
No?
no.
Because
You
it
can
makes you-
relate more to it because you are a chef. So maybe you know these sentiments that come out of.
No, it's just
You know?
what we eat, we become, right?
Okay.
Right. So I just wonder, what is it? Why would a person wants to leave a secure job and want to aim for the stars? Why is that? What do you think?
You know, the culture of India and here processes are followed, but there are some ways people come out with one or the other way. They are very creative. Indians are known to be creative, and so I think that enhances a child who is whose upbringing is in India. वो लोग ज़्यादा रिस्क टेकर्स होते हैं एंड बिजनेस इज़ ऑल अबाउट रिस्क टेकिंग एंड कमिंग आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन. सो इंडिया में बहुत कंफर्टेबल लाइफ, एक मिडिल क्लास जो हैं लोग सबसे ज़्यादा हैं, वहाँ पर कंफर्टेबल लाइफ नहीं है इतनी. सो पीपल हैव टू कम आउट देयर कंफर्ट जोन टू गो टू बसेस, उसमें ट्रेन्स में जाने के लिए, दिस एंड दैट. सो आई थिंक दे आर मोर यूज्ड टू ऑफ इट rather than a child जिसकी upbringing Canada में है, because it's more comfortable here for the kids. That is why I think it comes in the blood or genes, risk taking or with the experiences of life which we keep getting when we are doing things.
रिस्क तो स्पाइडरमैन भी लेता है.
Yes, of course.
बट वो वाला रिस्क मुझे बचपन में होता था ऐसे. आई यूज्ड टू लिव ऑन थर्ड फ्लोर.
Okay.
आई यूज्ड टू फील लाइक मैं कूद जाऊँ यहाँ से तो मैं भी उड़ जाऊँगा. So
Did
ऐसा
you
रिस्क
try
लेना है.
that?
हाँ.
Did you try that?
No, I'm alive.
We are glad you didn't.
I'm glad to. So this calculated risk is what one should take.
Yes,
But क्या
calculated
उसके लिए
risk.
मैथ्स होनी अच्छी ज़रूरी है या फिर अच्छे लोगों का साथ चाहिए? What do you need to have those good calculations?
It's a combination of everything. You have to have, your plans in hand कि करना क्या है आपको. Just positivity would not work when you are starting a new business, of course. But positivity is required as well. Plus the right people around you who would be helping you, who would be partnering with you, who would be trusting you for your business, or who will create a backup for you. And risk, yes, the numbers are everything, I think, in business or whenever you are talking about financially stable business and all. तो numbers तो बहुत मायने रखते हैं. You have to run the numbers कि क्या सेल्स करना है, इसके लिए क्या P&L चाहिए, क्या कॉस्ट रहेगी, क्या इसका रिवेन्यू रहेगा, क्या सैलरीज रहेंगी. तो एवरीथिंग हैज़ टू बी रन. बट येस, इट इज़ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सो मेनी थिंग्स. It's not just numbers, or it's not just passion or just positivity.
How important is the role of family in in your success basically? How important is that?
Family is very important. Their trust in you and how they are coordinating with you, and how they are cooperating with you. So I would take my example. My husband was so cooperating. I remember when my daughter was born, I was back in the office after 6 months because I was needed here and I was really passionate about my job and I didn't want anyone else to just go and grab the opportunity. So I came back. So my husband actually cooperated from that time. It's been 15 years. My daughter is now 15 years old. And my husband has, I think he has contributed a lot to my success. Because he never stopped me or from doing anything, from coming late, from going to the meetings late at night, or he doesn't ask me any questions actually. He trusts me so much. So I think अगर वो नहीं होते साथ में तो मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता, challenges और भी ज़्यादा हो जाते. But because he trusted in me and he was always there for me, तो उसकी वजह से I was able to overcome those hurdles in a nice way.
So you think lone wolf mentality would not work as much as being a person who is let's say doesn't have family, he can't make it to the.
No, it's not like that. Everyone has somebody who trusts in them. So it's not like family in I would say for Indian females ज़्यादा चांसेस ऐसे होते हैं कि फैमिली उनकी सपोर्ट नहीं बन के उनकी हर्डल बन जाती है. तो अगर आप फैमिली में किसी की सपोर्ट नहीं बन सकते हो तो हर्डल नहीं बने, बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट कि अगर आपके साथ में कोई फैमिली नहीं है, आप सिंगल हो, इस कंट्री में सिंगल आए हो, यू कैन नॉट ग्रो। नो, यू कैन। फैमिली तो रास्ते में बनती जाएगी ना, बट कोई हर्डल तो नहीं है ना आपके रास्ते में। दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट नोबडी फ्रॉम योर फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स और somebody is standing, in the way of your dreams. That is very important.
Okay, Indians, I know you love businesses. I know you want to open startups. I know this ride of entrepreneurship is taking over you. So if you have any questions, want to get into any sort of business, offices, industries, you can contact us and be more than happy to help you out.